Welding is more than just joining metal. It's precision, endurance, and pride in the craft. Over the past 8 years, we've grown through learning, refining, and mastering our skills. Every weld we make demands full focus. There's no room for error. Equipped with the most advanced machinery, we specialize in welding metal furniture, where strength, finish, and long-term reliability matter most. Behind every clean weld is a strict process, from material selection to inspection. We don't just weld parts together. We connect our craftsmanship with your trust. Through durability, precision, and clean design. Sukavina is the company you're looking for, a welding partner you can count on.